As you can see, it's all copper piping, 22mm. There's I've put a couple of bends in because they make it a bit stronger. Simple elbow joints. It's obviously soldered. It's not very good, the soldering, but it's solid. I've put a bit of rubber around these where these joints are, just to help protect the hose. They're just off of an old bike inner tube. Same here. It's a lot lighter than the other type that you buy, which costs about £250 for a frame for this, but I like doing different things, so I thought I'd have a go. I shall be spraying it a different colour. Don't know whether I'll go black or make it stand out blue or something like that, but that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. I thought I'd give it a nice blue. I had some blue spray left over off of I think it's a Ford colour off of a repair, but that's all done at the moment. This is the finished product of the hose reel that I got. In the other video I told you about the framing that I made. This is all out of 22mm copper, soldered joints, and what I've done, I've put on here, it's a 90-degree elbow, a 3/8 fittings into a 3/8 hose. The inlet is the same, it's a 3/8 90-degree bend, male and female, connected to quick connects. Rather than having leads around the other pipe work, it's something else to foul, so I thought I would just keep it simple. This is a 3/8 inlet. There's my 3/8. That's a 3/8. So I have a 3/8 inlet. This is a 3/8 female lever valve. Off, on. What I've done, I didn't have this before, but I put this on there as a support for this, so I don't get any movement out of it. It's all just quickly fitted down. On here there's 45 metres of hose. It goes from a 3/8 and joins onto a 1/4 inch. So this is a 1/4 inch hose, and it works really well. You get a good pressure. What you'll notice on here, there are some, this red is shrink wrap. The reason I've done that is another one here. This one here, no, this one here measures 12 inches from there to there, and that is the amount that is put into the pipe before it's put on. But I've also used the shrink wrap for some minor repairs, because the hose has touched the manifold, well, not the manifold, the exhaust on the generator, which has caused it to create like a slight burn. And so to protect it, what I've done, I tightly wrapped some duct tape and then shrink wrapped it with this. This is only cheap. It shrinks down to about 9mm, which I know that this pipe, this hose is let's just have a quick measure, is 12.2. So it shrinks on there nice and tight. I was going to come off of here, I came straight out of here with the hose before, but I decided to put an elbow on there. And what I also done is this sleeving is the same as this, but I've shortened it down. I've shortened it down by about 1.5 inches. Then heated it up only slightly and then forced it back over. And because that stops it from sticking out too far. It's still got the protection on there, and then you get a nicer curve, because you don't want any kinks in the hose. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set up and give it a test just to make sure everything's working on there. As I say, it works alright, but I should do a test on camera. We're going to switch it back on. Slowly. Now it's on full. Very strong nozzle. Very powerful. I think the leak is coming from under there, so what I should do, I should put some more PCFE around there to stop that leaking. It's all working okay. PSI on there.